always get the baking bug at this time of year. Cookies, pies, cakes. What are your favorites to make for the winter holidays? Would you make the same choices if you had to bake without modern conveniences? What if you had to whip eggs by hand? Or make your own cookie cutters? Some kitchen gadgets haven't changed much, like sifters. Mine is plastic, but it has the same design as this metal one. Next time you bake a pumpkin pie, think about making that pumpkin puree from an actual pumpkin, not a can, and how much longer you'd be in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us in Collection Storage today. We look forward to having you again when we'll talk about some more fascinating artifacts.